Everybody clap your hands for Caleb. How old are you now? 6 years old. Sino yung umuupod?
My mom and
Where's your mommy? Hi, mom. Where are you? Ay, ikaw, madam. Oh, you're so beautiful. Where's your daddy? Hi, dad. Where are you? Ay, your daddy. Say hi, daddy.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah, mwah. Say mwah, mwah.
Wawa.
Chup, chup.
Chup, chup.
Sali ka man sarang si mama, chup, chup. Mwah, mwah. Joke lang ito. Ang easy guys, stand up. Sir, gawin kayo ikaw.
Yes.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready ka na mag-volunteer? You want to volunteer, yes or no?
Yes.
Clap your hands for Khalid, please. Do you go to school?
Yes.
Ano ka na nga grade?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Section?
St. Francis.
Clap your hands naman. Wow, wala niya pa. What is your favorite subject?
Math.
Clap your hands, math. Sample. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
Palakpak. 2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 4 times 2 divide 3 square root of 2 plus 3 plus 5 divide 3 equals?
7.
Clap your hands, silence! Very good. What else? Aside sa math, what is your favorite subject?
Science.
Clap your hands, science. Kanami, no? May mga favorite subject, yung mga math, English, science. Are you familiar our solar system?
Yes.
Ano tupad sa Mercury?
Jelly.
Kanami, tupad sa Mercury, Jollibee. Ase, this time, sino gusto makakita rabbit? Who wants to see a rabbit? Are you ready? Are you ready, Caleb?
Yes.
I will turn you into a rabbit. Okay lang, sir. Pag muli mo, rabbit na ka mo.
Okay.
Okay, sige. This time, let's make a rabbit using the magic. What's that? Magic! Anong Jollibee? Magic pie-pie. Or one. What color is this? Anong